What is going on? Chris Godwin here with Laser Focus Solutions, your local Middletown, Delaware handyman home repair service company. So, just wanted to share my most recent trip to Home Depot. I cannot seem to get out of that place without buying a tool, but this time I had a little bit of incentive because I did get a Father's Day gift card. So, basically, my little tool pouch is my grab and go bag, let's call it, right? It's got all the basics. It's got your testers, your razor knife, 10-in-1, some little small channel locks, a pair of lineman strippers, a paint scraper, a level. It's got a little bit of everything, right? I'm pretty dangerous with this little bag, but it's loaded up at the same time. And the worst thing, and the last thing I want to do is put anything more on here that I don't quite need. So nut drivers specifically. Let's talk about that. So when it comes to nut drivers, you find yourself, I'm an old school electrician by trade. So I went ahead and bought these many years ago, and they come in a kit. And then I don't know if you could see it or not, but on the inside there, they come with colors, right? So there's a red one. So that's how you would associate knowing what size you need, because it's muscle memory. Mine always sat on my right side of my hip. I could reach down there and grab. I knew what I needed just by the look of it. So I say all that to say that, with evolution, now we got impact drivers, M12 here. I like to use the impact gun as much as possible. Well, Morgan's Maintenance. You can reach him at Morgan's Maintenance on YouTube. Phenomenal guy. Spends a lot of time in the workshop, spending time sharing tools and different things. Well, he talked about this little driver, and I was like, "What is this? I've never even seen this before." So, of course, I'm at Home Depot buying something that I needed, and then I found something that I felt like I needed. So this here is basically a 6-in-1 hand driving tool nut driver. And what's cool about it is that it reflects all the colors, and I'm going to try to show, but you probably won't be able to see it. I don't think you're going to be able to. You can see a little bit of blue. It's the same thing as the blue handles. So again, back to the muscle memory. It's so cool that they didn't even change that to where now I know brown is going to be, and heck, I don't even remember now, 7/16. I just know the color. I just know when I look at the size of a nut, I know what color I have to grab. I don't even get down with the sizes particularly. So what's cool about this is that inside his sleeve, these are loaded up, 2 different style nut drivers. And so I'm able to then turn this thing into, you see you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can take it off the back end, spin it around to the front. Now, boom, you're ready to rock and roll. But even better, wait, there's more. You can put this thing in your driver. What? And now you got your driver on your hip, you got your tool pouch, you're in somebody's house, you don't feel like cranking on the old hands, you could throw it in your driver and just go to town. So I feel like this is a game changer in my opinion. Just the fact that everything gets stored here, it doesn't get lost, goes on like that. Now, boom, I can put this one tool inside my bag, and I don't have 6 more handles, right, that I don't necessarily need. But now I just saved myself a trip back to the van. And for those of us that are in business and those of us that aren't even in business, I'm looking at my garage and my shop, basically nothing worse than having to walk back out and get a tool. So I just wanted to share. I'll put the link to the description below for that tool. And like I said, we'll be doing more videos like this. Morgan really inspired me to kind of, locally share the love, share the word. We're based out of Middletown, Delaware here, and there's a big, huge calling for trusted trades people in this area. So we love what we do. We're happy to be a part of it, and we'll talk soon. Peace.